All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna be working on Brutus the truck again. So we left off. We still needed to finish up one thing, which is the impact plate on the front side here, the Tetris piece. So I have the piece laying right there. The only problem is that I had him cut it too short. So this is 85.5, which is the width of the deck, but that does not account for the overlap onto the sidebars in order to be able to bolt it in. And the reason I want to be able to bolt it in is so I can take the plate off and get to all the stuff in the back more easily for the engine in case we need to do any maintenance on it. So we're going to weld on the strip to the outside edge on the plate, and then we're going to cut out the shape of it. We need two measurements: full width of the outside of a bar to the outside of a bar, and then we also need from the base right here to basically this point right here. 88. Yep, okay, 88 inches. And then we will do let's do 23 and 7. So I just wanted to point this out to you guys: when you're welding, do not wrap like the cords around your shoulder or anything. You see all this? How the metal shavings and powder is lined up along the cords. That's how much current is going through there. So when you wind it around your shoulder and you're welding with it wound around your shoulder, you're inducing a magnetic field into your arm and you're cooking yourself. So I don't know. Maybe don't do that. All right, this guy's welded on. We'll have to take and grind this face down, both faces, just to smooth it out, make it look nice, but it is on there. It is not going anywhere. So next step is we need to take and do the Tetris notch on here. So I got to measure that out and then transfer it on here and cut this one.
I hope you guys can hear me all right. So we're gonna grind down the front face here, and then the whole thing, flip it and do the same thing on the other side, and then start painting.
That guy is all painted, it's dried up, ready to take and mount it up there. First thing we're gonna take is drill 3 holes across the top region right here. So 1, 2, 3, and that way we have it already pre-drilled, so when we put it up on the bed, we can go ahead and drill directly into the metal on the bed, and then we are not drilling it for the first time, make it easier and faster that way. I have this up on this 3/4 inch block. It is sitting, there's a little bit of a slope, so it's sitting down at the right height where it snugs underneath this grating on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and back drill through the existing holes, all the way through this C-channel, and then we're gonna bolt through the C-channel at the top, and then get the rest of our pickup along the way. Welcome to New Mexico in the spring. It's windy. All right. I have a hole finder that I 3D printed. It's got a detent, will slot into the hole on the backside, and it opens up. So then, when we find a hole that's already existing, that's already threaded, we can use a punch, get our mark, and then drill through and bolt it up. Right on. We have installed the firewall, the back impact plate, so that's all done. Next, truck box and tow hitch. I think we're gonna start with the tow hitch. That should be easier. I have all the material for that, and then got to get the material for the truck box. So catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.